Hello friends, welcome to my channel Iktaindians. Today I am going to share with you authentic, traditional, most popular, extremely delicious sweet delicacy of Bengal, taler Bora, that is sweet palm fritters. We Bengalis serve it to Lord Krishna in the auspicious occasion of Janmastami. Now let's start the recipe. Here I take 2 cups sweet ripe plum pulp, 1 cup full fat milk, 2 cups all-purpose flour that is Maida, 1 cup semolina that is Suji, half cup rice flour, 1 cup sugar. In this recipe I grinded the sugar to a powder so that it mixes well in the mixture, but sugar can be used without powder. 2 to 3 ripe bananas which I have grinded in my grinder for perfect smooth texture. Bananas are totally optional here, but I would insist that bananas are must in this recipe to get a perfect smooth soft fritters. 1 cup grated coconut. Now I take a medium size bowl and add all the dry ingredients one by one in the bowl. Then I mix all the dry ingredients very well. After that I add 1 cup grated coconut in the bowl and give it a nice mix. Then I am going to add 2 cups of sweet ripe plum pulp in the bowl and mix all the things very well. Now I am adding 2 smashed ripe bananas in the bowl and mix all the things very well. After that I am adding 1 cup full fat milk in the bowl slowly. After adding the milk, I continue to mix the mixture very well. Now I left the whisk aside and kept mixing the mixture well with my hand to make a perfect batter. Now I am adding 1/4 teaspoon baking soda in the batter and mix it well. Then I will mix the batter very well with my hands for quite some time so that all the ingredients are well mixed. At first the batter will be little thin and then it will thicken. Then I covered the bowl with a lid and rest it for 20 to 30 minutes. Now I heated sufficient refined oil in an wok on high flame. Again I beat the batter for well mix. Now the batter is perfectly ready for making the fritters. Oil is heated enough. Now I take a small portion from the batter and add in the hot oil very carefully. I will give as many fritters as can be put in hot oil one by one, but should be careful not to be overcrowded it. Otherwise fritters will be not fried properly. Now I fry them on medium flame patiently on all sides evenly and fry them till they turn golden brown each. Just like this, the fritters are well fried on both sides. Now I take out them from the wok and keep them aside. Again I put small portion from the batter, as many as possible, in the hot oil and fry them on medium flame till they turn golden brown on both sides. All the fritters are fried perfectly. Now I take them out from the kadhai and keep them aside. I will make fritters as many as possible using the whole batter, following the same process. নরম tultule taler bora, that is sweet palm soft fritters, are ready to serve. I hope you like my today's style of cooking, which I prepare in very easy and simple way. To make this Janmastami more colorful, you must try at your home. It will be a nice treat for your family. I'm sure you will love it very much. I need your support, so please like and share my recipe, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will be see you soon in my next video with some new recipe. Till then, be safe, be healthy, and enjoy cooking. Bye bye.